fun fact on these, this mixture screw here, reverse thread, it comes out clockwise. Anyway, getting things apart, plugging away. So this is the inside of Mildred's carb. First order business. There's no more leather left on her accelerator pump. It's not even in there. Wow, the gasket just crumbled in my hand. Look at this. Ugh, God. Ugh, this one's worse than I expected. So let me get the rest of this apart, but it's not looking nice here. Yucky. Way yucky. That pretty much explains why none of this worked. Let's pull this out real quick, just so we can get a gander in here. I'm gonna go get a wrench, take out the one seat. Boosters out. Totally explains why one side wasn't really doing anything. Eek. This thing's never been apart, ever, I'm guessing. Wow. That's yucky. Floats that have seen better days. Ooh. Oh boy. Just trying to get these babies out now. They're a lot of bit in there. I mean, that's supposed to kind of be like a plunger, and let's just say we ain't plunging nothing. Ugh, God. Finally came apart. Yuck. Yuck, 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 yuck. All right, got that yucky mess disassembled. Start cleaning.